Hey Mazda lovers, we have an RX8 here that I reviewed a while back. It's not really to my liking. It's got weird printing and stripes and stuff like that. But, so I left that one alone. There's a Mazdaspeed version that I found, and hopefully it'll be a little bit better. There's no date on the packaging, so I just did an internet search for Mazda. Oh, here it is, 2005. Why didn't I see that before? I am not attentive. Well, let's hope that these images are correct. It's just a paper base there, it's fine. Nope, this one is not correct. I anticipated that, so I pulled up this image here, and now this image does look correct. It's got these crazy huge vents in the front. Alright, it's running 5-spoke wheels, so the wheel choice was okay by Choro-Q. Here's a side view, which I'm not sure if it's the correct photo, but I think the side body is generally the same. Not sure which of these rear photos is correct. Well, it's covered up by the coin holder anyways, but I would have to say it's this one because it has a higher wing. Yeah, so that looks alright. Alright, well, let's take a closer look at this guy. So the blue here, it actually is metallic. I didn't think it was before, but yeah, I can see a little flake in there. Standard 5 spokes, and the riding stance is a bit high, I think. It could be lower. We're going to swap out some wheels. So these are nicely painted. This black, or maybe it's clear plastic. Well, no, it must be painted, because this is pretty clear. This is definitely black. Alright, some silver headlights. Unfortunately, the tampo print of the Mazda didn't reach all the way down. It's missing part of the thing. This side looks pretty much the same, and then the taillights look good. I mean, there's silver and red, so it's better than just plain silver. It's nice that they got a little silver here in the wing struts, and then the wing itself is elevated, so that's neat. Door panel lines look alright. This could have used some black, though. And then there, on the bottom it says 05, and let's take this apart. You'll see it's a clear body, and then they just painted it blue. Let's get a better angle here. Yeah, this tab is always an issue, so I'm gonna try to push it out with this phone tool. I don't know what the deal is. I gotta pause. Wow, that was torture. It took like 5 minutes. I literally had to shave away plastic here because this tab is wider than that slot. It's really strange. They must have used a lot of force to assemble this thing. But here we can get a better view of the exhaust tips, which are pretty nice. And then you can see that clear body is painted very well. Okay. Let's get this stock motor and axle out of here, and we're going to pop in a motor without the axle, because I'm going to use putty to mount these wheels. Okay. Alright, then I'm going to use a hand screwdriver so I don't strip out that thread. And today I'm going to put some mesh wheels on. I got a grab bag of like wheels for Hot Wheels, and these are in them. I don't know if these are Matchbox, Majorette, or Hot Wheels wheels, but I repainted them silver. They were just, I think, black before, and I think they look pretty classy on this car, or that's what I was anticipating. Put a little steering in here. Okay, so yeah, I'm okay with that. Looks dynamic steering. Alright, let's compare it to a 1/64 scale car. I have a Kyosho from Initial D, an RX-7. I don't actually have a 1/64 scale RX-8. I think Hobby Japan makes one, but Hobby Japans are expensive, and I don't really love this car enough to want to buy that. Maybe someday. Alright, but I'm gonna well, this is as good as I can do for you guys today. Let's get these cartoon ones out again. So here's that other one. It is a different casting. The front nose is quite different. The rear, obviously the wing is a big difference, but also I think maybe no, I think the rest might be the same. Alright. Oh, you know what? This doesn't have the side vents, whereas this one does. So that seems like an oversight as well. Lack of printing on the side. Here's another Choro. It's an RX-7 with metal wheel swap, and this is what is this thing? A Mazda 252i, which is a silhouette racer of the first generation RX-7, and 3D printed wheels on that one as well. Alright, well, overall not too bad. It's not as good as some other ChoroQs, but if you like RX8s and you like cartoons, I think this is definitely should be on your list of things to buy. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye.